Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 5 minutes to prevent short circuits. This protects airbags and memory settings. Next, use a plastic pry tool to remove trim panels. Work along clips to avoid breakage and place screws in labeled containers so reassembly is faster. Once trim is off, locate and remove the head unit's mounting screws, then slide the unit forward slowly to expose the wiring harness and antenna connector. This first sequence gets you to the connectors you'll work on next. Now you'll disconnect wiring while keeping track. Label each connector or take a clear phone photo so you know where every plug returns. Release the locking tabs on the factory harness, remove the antenna plug, and unclip any CAN bus, steering wheel control, or mic leads. Do this gently to avoid bent pins. Once free, compare the new unit's wiring to your adapter. Make sure the adapter matches the factory pinout and mount the new bracket if needed, because a correct harness and bracket prevent electrical faults and fitment issues. Install the new head unit by connecting the adapter harness and antenna, then carefully push the unit into the dash and fasten the mounting screws so it's snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect the battery and power the unit on. Test radio reception, Bluetooth pairing, backup camera feed, and steering wheel controls to confirm functionality. If anything fails, stop and troubleshoot. Check the ground and fuse, verify each pin alignment, and that CAN wires are matched. This targeted check usually resolves most common installation issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.